Audio Jungle.
In a bustling city, a small garden was home to a remarkable plant named Fern. Despite facing numerous challenges, Fern thrived. She withstood strong winds, adapted to floods, and embraced the wonders of nature. Her resilience inspired all who saw her. One day, a swarm of locusts attacked the garden, devastating its plants. Fearful but determined, Fern released a fragrance attracting ladybugs, natural predators of locusts. The ladybugs arrived, feasting on the pests until they retreated, defeated. Fern's act of resilience inspired others. Together, they transformed the garden into an oasis of life and beauty. Fern's story spread far and wide, reminding people of the light that can be found in the harshest circumstances. As Fern aged, her spirit never wavered. She embraced the cycle of life, knowing her legacy would live on through her seeds. Now, the garden thrives, plants drawing strength from Fern's story. If you listen closely on a summer's eve, you might hear Fern's gentle voice, urging you to face challenges with determination.